Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn how to draw and paint a swan in Madhubani art style. So we need a paper. I'm drawing on a canvas pouch. We need a ruler, we need pencil, eraser, sharpener, and definitely we need black paint with 000 number brush and paints of other colors of your choice. So we will start it. So as we know, Madhubani has to have a border and has to have a black color outline. So this is my black paint. This is 000 number brush and we'll start with the border. So very less paint in our brush and we'll try to make line as thin as possible. In Madhubani, everything should have a black outline. I'm using fabric paints because it is a pouch. So some people would like to wash it after use or sometime like if it gets dirty. Otherwise on canvas we can use any sort of paint. So borders outline is over. If we want, we can fill color in these. If we want, we can leave them blank. If we want, we can do the kachni work. Our baby is ready. Now we are going to paint Mother Swan. Whenever we draw a border design, we have to show double line between them. And that double line has to have black color. This is the rule. This is yellow color and this is red color. So these two paints we are going to use. In Madhubani, so many times they use two colors for the same border. Today we will also do same thing. Let's see. With this, our pouch is ready. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.